Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to clear cache in Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear cache in Last Asylum Plague. So on Android this is pretty simple. You can open your device settings, tap app or app management, select the game, storage and cache, and then tap clear cache. I'm on an iPhone so I cannot show you that. So this is the easiest way to do it on an Android. This removes temporary files without deleting your game progress. Avoid tapping clear storage or clear data unless your account is linked, as those options can erase local game data. On iPhone, what you need to do? Well, there you need to just go and reinstall the game. So delete the game completely, go to the App Store again and download the game. And that will be done. Before cleaning the data or installing, make sure your game account is linked to Google, Apple, or Facebook, or Game Center. Go to the top left corner, click on the profile icon, then click Settings, then click Account, click User Center, and then here on the left side we have Bind Account, where you have, of course, and you can bind it with Game Center, Google Play, Facebook, Apple, or email. And that's where you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.